In this topic, I will going to teach you what is thermodynamic system, surrounding and boundary. So let's start with thermodynamic system. Thermodynamic system is defined as a quantity of matter or a region in space chosen for study or analysis. So here you can consider one area or space that we are going to do analysis of that, or we are going to study inside whatever will be happen. So that space is our called system. Examples of systems are piston cylinder assembly, turbine, etc. Okay, so many more examples are there. So two basic examples that we can see here. So this is our piston cylinder arrangement, that inside that all is called our system. Second is turbine. This also we can consider as a one type of system. Now another simple example of system is your classroom. The classroom also you can consider as a one type of system. Second definition, that is surrounding. The mass or region outside the system is called surrounding. So whatever outside that our system, that all are called as a surroundings. Okay. So outside system, that is called surrounding. So according to our example, piston cylinder arrangement and system, outside that all is considered as a surrounding. In case of our example of classroom, outside the classroom all is considered as a surroundings. Now third one definition, that is boundary. The real or imaginary surface that separates the system from its surrounding is called boundary. So you can see here figure, the red color line that is considered as a boundary. So this line that separate your system from surrounding. So it is one type of surface that you can separate your system from surrounding. So it is called as a boundary. Okay. So system is 3D space will be there. So there is a surface will be required to separate from surrounding. Okay. Now in case of our examples in piston and cylinder, you can see here dotted line is shown, that is called boundary. Okay. So that dotted line will be separate out your surrounding system. So similar to in our turbine example, the dotted line shown is our boundary. Okay. So here the system will be there, outside there is a surrounding is there. Now another simple example that also we can consider, like that conical flask. In this we are going to study whatever chemical reaction will be take place or chemical process will be take place. So that chemical you can consider as a system. Outside there is called surrounding. Now the conical flask glass that separate your system from surrounding, it is called boundary. Okay. So this glass is considered as a boundary that will separate your system and surrounding. Now boundary, it may be real or it may be a imaginary. Okay. So in our piston cylinder arrangement there it will be real boundary, but in case of turbine you can see here the mass will be enter here, so there is a no boundary will be there. So you can consider here imaginary boundary that is not visible. Okay. So that is considered as an imaginary boundary. And boundary may be stationary and it also sometimes moving. Okay. So in turbine case there is a boundary is, you can say, stationary, but in piston cylinder arrangement your piston is moving, so one boundary in moving condition. So here sometime the boundary also in moving condition also will be there. Okay. So this is the three basic definition, that is thermodynamic system, surrounding and its boundary. Now next one, a system and its surrounding together is called universe. So if we combine our system and outside surrounding, that is called as a universe. The boundary will become inside that also. Okay. So system plus surrounding, that is called your universe. So simply you can say that universe equal to system plus surrounding. Okay, system and surrounding make total universe. Now types of thermodynamic system. So basic three type of thermodynamic system. In that first is open system, second closed system, third isolated system. So these three systems that we discuss in our next video. So stay tuned.